Welcome to the Insta360 family. Think bold, out of the frame. This is the Insta360 X6. It is a Costco bundle package. It was about $549 today. It went down as low as about $500 or so. And you get a lot of things with it. Now, I really haven't taken it out of the package, everything that's in here. You get the actual 360 box. You get everything in the kit. You get your selfie stick, not the ones over there. And you get the memory card, a 256 card. Today, you don't get that at all. And this is what the selfie stick will look like. Well, Insta will give you a gold one just for, being a good customer. And that's what they did with me. What I got here is an extra battery. You get two batteries, one with the camera and a spare. And you get here is a lens guard, and it'll fit both. I don't use it. And of course, I got those lens guards that they give you. And that's everything in this kit. So let me put this away. Everything here out of the side. You may want to get yourself a, 3-meter stick. It's just under 10 feet. And the only thing I don't love about this is the first two poles. They're very thin, and they give a little flex. But they'll get those drone shots. If you want to be real compact, you have a compact stick. And here we have is the Insta free framing selfie stick. And that does open up. The legs fold in, you grab the body, and it opens up. Now this is not all the way. And it also tilts by, pressing the button here, releasing it, and then you could tilt the head and off you go. So let me get this out of the way, put it to the side. I haven't used that in a long time, the selfie stick. But Free Frame 2.0 is in the X5. Let's get right to this box here, the unboxing. It's not open, it's closed. And I gotta peel that sticker. Well, I like taking the time because it's my box, not yours. For me, I'm not ripping. I'm grabbing, and I'm going to slowly pull. I get my fingers underneath it for the reasons of, I want the box in full, just like that. So this way I can take everything out for you, and then a destroyed box. They bubble wrap this bad boy. Look at all that bubble wrap. Basically, they threw everything in here. That's what you see here. And I'm going to pull out the camera. Replacement lens kit. Now, is it one or is it two? Single one lens kit. This is awesome. Quick release mount, the whole kit. And there's the battery, your second battery. And there is your selfie stick. That's it, nothing else. I got this little label. I guess I was supposed to rip it open. And it's a box that's simply air pressure release. What I want to do here is take off the free framing vertical mount. What I want to do here is take my caliper, because everybody's going to want to know, is 82.4 from the bottom to the top. If I do the same thing to here, it's 106.4. So there you go. 22 inches taller. Inches, not inches, centimeters. If I go here to side, I get myself a reading of about 32.7. If I go here to the side, I get a reading of 27.6. Now, the thickness of the unit is 7.2, and the thickness of the unit is about 8.3. Wider, thicker, but not taller. You can also look at the lens. They're not going to be the same. It is what it is, man. Now the thing is, it's still got the 1/4 20 thread. It's same color as the body. Can you put the frame on over the battery door? And will it be flush? Will it fit? It's kind of like, nope, it's the wrong size. You're going to be struggling. It's going to be tight. The X5 frame fits solid, no looseness like the other. So now I could take this and I can free it up, put it on there, lock it down, and then stand it up like that. There you go. And it fits there. Oh man, rock solid. And I'm not sure what these two little buttons are. Maybe they're screws. I'm not sure. But you got your speakers, your wind speakers, the microphones, and all that good stuff. Whatever. I'm excited. I'm like a kid in the candy store. Turn this bad boy on by hitting the on button here. I love the light. Perfect. They put the light on the bottom. I wish they would have rounded it more. Made this round here so you can see it on the front. So we open up the box and see what extra goodies we have, because nobody likes reading things or opening up. They just go and go. You get a silicone package. Throw that away safely. And you get the soft pouch right in there. Right here, baby. There you go. It's a different pouch than anything else. And you get your cables and you get your soft cleaning cloth. What does that say, people? Activate. Got to activate your camera. Yeah, baby. Free SD card. All right, I'm ready to go. Woo, look at that bad boy. That is an old LED screen, man. That is bright. I got to do a lot of turning on because I'm not set up for twists yet. Great one right here. Vibration, people. The vibration is back. Bye-bye. As I'm learning and playing around, you just can't tap it. You got to give a good little forceful press on it, and it'll come up. And then you're able to go into your settings. And it doesn't give me enough time right now to do what I want, but there we go. And the one thing I do want to try, I'll figure it out later. I'll watch some videos and figure out what they meant by it. Awesome. It spins. You pull it out nice and firm. I forgot to charge my Insta360 Mic Pro, so it's all from the camera. Basically defaulted. I set the sharpness to low, EV to -7. I'm with the Insta360 X6. 3 shots I did right now was video 360 of a street light, pure video, and Instaframe 2.0. It's not a lighter camera. It's a smaller, compact camera, but different, a little thicker. I'm getting an overhead shot, and this is the Insta360 3-meter stick. I'm not extended all the way out. I keep it out just far enough. So I really need to have a stick to be out 10 feet to get video shots. Alright, I built it so I know it's on. I don't have to look at the LED light that is more vision towards the bottom. I wish they made it over this wall. I'm heading through here. I want to get a nice shot above. So this way you can say, hey, look, I'm so close to sailing. Single lens in video mode, pure video. If you go into 360, you can change it to Insta360 free frame if you choose single lens. I switched off of pure video to video mode, and I adjust the EV value down. I want to see which one you would get of the cameras. The X6, the Luna Ultra, or the Go, or Ace Pro. Those are the cameras that are out. Now let's get where we need to be at. as I learned the camera, man, I was stuck on one thing. Single lens, Insta360 2.0. So some shots may be ruined. But the thing is, I'm on 360 now. And I gotta go, put in the editor, try to edit the videos on a temporary machine.